I'm kind of used to seeing slightly wacky PCIe cards from these guys, Minisforum, but as a man who loves a bit of storage, I won't lie, I have feelings. I have such strong feelings. This is a 4-bay PCIe card. Now you're thinking, I'm holding it a bit weird. Well, let's start taking it apart. We've got an active cooling system there, running straight across this. Our first heatsink, keyword there, first. Heatsink going into copper heat pipe there underneath. Inside there, going into our active cooling system, and that active cooling system runs into a quad M.2 NVMe environment there. Again, with one PCIe, you can get it down to PCIe 4x4, but when you've got all 4 of them populated, it's Gen 4 × 2, and that's across 4 ports there. And this is going into an AMD controller inside there as well. I know what you're thinking. You've seen plenty of cards like this, okay? You've seen lots of multi M.2 NVMe cards. Well, this one has got an Oculink port built into the base. Hopefully there's some stuff there on screen. Alongside, because they had bandwidth to spare, a USB 3.2 × 2, 20 gig USB port there. Alongside that, on the rear, we have the switch to switch from PCIe mode to SATA mode for that Oculink output there. So again, I have seen plenty of combo cards, and I've seen plenty of combo cards that have advertised and expelled the virtues of adding things like 10 gig networking alongside the M.2 NVMe. But this is the first time I've seen one of these cards add Oculink alongside M.2 NVMe's. This is an incredibly interesting card, and if you had to ask me which brand would come up with something like this, it would obviously be Minisforum at this point.